Hello, friends. My name is Yevgeny Trubimov. I am a co-founder of Nevrzit Construction Equipment Plant. We are in the business of manufacturing any custom plug products.
And today I want to show you the process of making Kardax plug segments, as well as our other plug products that we've made over the course of our existence.
Look, these are the machines we made. And on the same machines we are engaged in the production of various plug products.
Right now, the operator here is specifically bending Kardax steel coils. You know Kardax is such a very complex steel. It is very highly resistant, but it is very difficult to deform. But our machines can handle it.
Therefore, you can also order augers of any material from us.
Kardax, stainless steel, regular rough steel.
We deal with everything. We also have no geometry restrictions. You can order augers of huge inner and outer diameters from us. We are limited only by the height of the ribbon.
The flange height is this element on the auger.
We call the height of the metal the height of the ribbon. We have a limit of 700 millimeters.
That is, up to 700 millimeters we can safely fulfill any auger.
We also do not only manufacture augers, but also repair augers. Here's a recent reefer auger position that came to us.
We will repair it and send it back to the customer to be installed on the combine. This particular cutter bar auger is installed on Ristelmash harvesters.
Right here on the slipway we have two types of auger represented. One will go from the holding steel for chicken feed, meaning it will move feed to the chickens.
And here's this auger that's 20 gauge thick, meaning we bent it too on our GP series universal machine.
And so you can see that this kind of geometry and this thick coil there is also doable. You knit these two, so you can order small augers or large augers from us. When I say unusual auger geometry, I mean augers like this. Look at it, it's got a huge flange, huge outside diameter.
And apparently it sits somewhere around 200 wow. That's roughly how I see it right here right now. So you see the different geometries we can perform on.
So we have, once again,
we have no limitation in the geometry of the execution of the auger segments.
You can order absolutely any auger from us.
Friends, I also want to show you this spiral. He's lying here all alone, very aloof. We kept it here on purpose to show our customers what our equipment can do. This spiral is from the 30th sheet.
It has a pitch of, I think, 500 millimeters.
It has an outside diameter somewhere in the neighborhood of a meter.
So our machines can easily make such coils as well. It was bent on purpose to show off the power of our equipment.
And I show you specifically that our equipment can cope with such a turn. So once again, there are no limitations on auger geometry.
You can order any screw products from our company. We'll ship on time. The products will be of high quality. You can also see all the reviews at the links in the description. There will also be a link below this clip, so that you can leave a request for screw equipment calculation. So good luck to you and hope to see you among our customers. Goodbye.